Good evening, everyone. Tonight is another special night. We are officially launching the Luminous Oracle. And this product has been a labor of love for myself and this team bringing this to market. And, ever since its conception to the engineering process to tweaking how it's going to look, how you would utilize it. It's, it's been it's been incredible. This is the Luminous Oracle, and this product has undergone quite a bit of testing from this team and from others. And if you haven't seen the videos, they're going to start rolling out pretty soon of people that have been using this particular product in the wild. This product is a mirror that will help guide you into the future, into the past, into the present, and answer questions from your higher self. It's a great way to communicate with your higher self. It's a great way to set intentions into the world. I'm not going to go too much into it. I just kind of want to talk about the product launch that's happening now. The email has already gone out. And we're having a very special price point on the launch of this product, and we have free shipping worldwide for at least until this production run is gone. So there's a high anticipation with this particular product, and I don't think it's going to be around too long, meaning typically when we launch a product, we run out within 72 hours. This one is going to probably run out a little bit quicker. We do have a good inventory amount, but the demand for this particular product is pretty high. And I've been doing a few different teaser videos out there about it. So this is on the website. It's live. You can, if you want to go read more about it, go ahead. Feel free. The Luminous Oracle was really inspired by a trio of books by Dolores Cannon called Conversations with Nostradamus. And in those, I think it was the second book, he revealed how he wrote his quatrains and he used a big black obsidian mirror. And as soon as I read that, I was hooked. I said, I'm going to create the modern version of it. And boy, did we create something that is so extraordinarily special. And during the testing phase of the original one of the original ones, I actually put Moldavite in the four corners. And that's the one where I captured the moon on September 9th. And it blew my mind how powerful that one was. So we researched other stones and to balance out the energy in it. It's great to have a product that delivers a huge amount of energy, but if it's not discernible, if it's not focused, if it's not clarity, it's just going to make you lightheaded. And that particular stone configuration would have made you lightheaded because it made me lightheaded. And I've been doing this for a very, very long time. And I am used to high vibrational things, and it just knocked my socks off, basically. So in the four corners, there's four stones, and it balances out the energy, just absolutely beautiful. It's really an incredible ensemble. For me and this team, it's a complete masterpiece. I mean, when I say we nailed it, we nailed it. Again, this is a toolbox. I give you the basics on how to use it, and then it's really up to you to kind of run with it. If you feel that calling from the videos, then you know it's right. If you don't feel the calling and you're kind of on the fence, this product's probably not for you. This product is very powerful, folks. It has opened up my mind to more product ideas, which I really wasn't expecting. But it did, and it showed me a vast future with some really super cool stuff coming down the road. And what is it going to do for you? Well, that's up to the Oracle, and the Oracle is really the mirror reflection of your higher self, pun intended. And the black obsidian mirror that's in the center of this thing is just, it's unbelievable. This product nails it. So if you feel that calling, folks, they're live. Go grab one. We ship anywhere in the world for free until they're gone. And we have a steep price point off the retail price to help invigorate you to connect with it and save a little money and get some free shipping. She's pretty heavy. So when we do start shipping, it's not gonna be cheap. So folks, thank you. And Oracle's calling. Have a beautiful evening. Bye bye.